Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, ever caught yourself humming the catchy Clash Royale theme? It's truly iconic, isn't it? Well, imagine the satisfaction of playing that very tune right on your own piano. It might sound a bit challenging at first, but with the right steps and a little practice, it's a perfectly achievable goal. Let's dive in and get you started on this fun musical adventure, turning those game sounds into a beautiful melody. Alright, first things first, you'll need access to a piano or a digital keyboard. Don't worry if it's not a grand piano, any working keyboard will do just fine. Next, search for sheet music specifically for the Clash Royale theme. Many versions are available online, some tailored for beginners. Alternatively, video tutorials can be incredibly helpful for visual learners. Take your time with this initial setup, ensuring you have the right tools to begin your musical journey. Once you have your sheet music or tutorial ready, start by focusing on the main melody. This is usually played with your right hand. Don't try to learn the whole song at once. Instead, break it down into smaller, bite-sized sections. Practice each phrase slowly, ensuring you hit the correct notes and timing. Many players find it helpful to practice each hand separately before attempting to combine them, building muscle memory step by step. After you've mastered the melody, it's time to bring in the left-hand chords. These provide the rich harmony that truly makes the Clash Royale theme recognizable. Start by adding simple block chords, then gradually introduce more complex voicings. Equally important are the rhythm and dynamics. Pay attention to how loud or soft you play and the speed of certain sections. These elements are what give the song its distinctive feel, making it sound just like the original. Consistency is key when learning any new piece. Instead of long, infrequent sessions, aim for shorter, more frequent practice times, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes daily. Using a metronome can dramatically improve your timing and rhythm, helping you play steadily and accurately. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Once you've conquered the Clash Royale theme, celebrate your achievement and consider exploring other fun pieces. Keep making music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.